boys and girls, fifth year. So I'm going to explain here on this video the unit 6.1, which is the first unit I have chosen for you this year. So we are not starting the book with 1.1 but 6.1, yes? So the topics are in grammar, real conditionals that we have already seen. Pronunciations is about weak forms, pronouns plus will, and then ing, ed adjectives and multi-word verbs, yes? So in this unit you can see some pictures and it talks about emotions and those things, yes? So you can see the pictures, yes, here on the 2 pages, yes? I am sending you also the pages so you can check. So in speaking, there is no much to do about this because this is to be done in class. But you can do the reading, yes? You do the reading because it's important to do it, yes? And then in the reading we will see that we have these ing, ed adjectives. This is the ending of adjectives. Yes, when do we use them? For example, say what makes you angry or annoyed? What sort of things do you find relaxing? So we can see that some of them end in ed, annoyed, and some of them end in ing, relaxing. Yes, so here I have found a graphic that shows very well adjectives ending in ed, ing. He is bored because these books are boring. I hope that this lesson won't be boring for you. Adjectives that end in ing, they describe the characteristic of a person or a thing or a situation. It causes a feeling. It causes. The books are boring. We are describing the characteristics of these books. Yes? What do these books cause? They make people feel bored. Adjectives that end in the ed, they describe the feeling or the emotion that the person is experiencing. So he is bored because the book is boring. Yes? For example, compare these differences. I am tired now. My flight was tiring. So, because it was a 12 hours flight, yes? Public toilets are sometimes disgusting. I am disgusted by the smell of them. Your speech was inspiring. I am now inspired to do great things with my life. I have written here a very small chart. It's a trick. In the adjectives in Spanish we can correlate with estar. Estoy aburrido. Look at this. I'm bored. Estoy aburrido. She's fascinated. Ella está fascinada. They are amazed. Ellos están sorprendidos. And when the adjectives end in ing, it's in Spanish ser. Algo es. For example, it's boring. I'm bored. The book is fascinating. El libro es fascinante. She is fascinated. The landscape is amazing. They are amazed. ¿Sí? El paisaje es sorprendente. Ellos están sorprendidos. Eso es más o menos la mecánica. That is the mechanics, yes? So you have to do the sentences here, the exercises. And please, I am going to explain again how you go about doing your homework. Please write down your complete name, your year, and your level, English TP 2-1. This will be TP. Actually, this is 3, because 1 is the writing, 2 is the landlady, 1 is Rumpelstiltskin, 2 is the landlady, and this would be 3 for you, okay? And then you write, for example, 6.1, which is the unit. This is 6.1, can you see here? So, and you write the name of page if you want, 68, yes, page 68. And it says student's book. SB means student's book. Whenever you see WB means workbook, but in this case it's workbook. So you write down 6.1 student's book, page 68, exercise. This is 2C. Yes. So you write exercise 2C here, and then says complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives in exercise 2A. Acá ponemos 2C y me ponen number 1, worrying. I'm going to bed. I'm because I've been working late very night this week. So I'm tired. Yes, entonces el número 2 me ponen, sorry, tired. In 3, for example, my face went bright red when I realized that I'd said it was really, ¿cuál podría ser? Embarrassing. Entonces acá me ponen embarrassing. This is the way you have to make your homework. Please don't do strange things. Don't do a lot of colors. Don't do, for example, this. Yes, and you start here. Please, no. Yes, because this is a disaster for me to correct. So I prefer you to keep, yes, to a kind of structure and layout. Then we have the vocabulary bank here on page 153. I am also attaching the PDF, yes? So in the vocabulary bank, you have exercises to do as well, yes? Okay, so you write vocabulary bank 6.1 y me ponen 1, pa. Yes, 2, pa. 1A, pa. Okay, so you read this and I know that you will be able to cope with this, yes? Then we have a listening. In the listening is about therapy and emotions. So you have to do the listening. I am also attaching the listening. The names of the listenings are, for example, SB means student's book. Intermediate, which is the book. Unit 6, recording 1. Yes, here. For example, 6.1. Entonces, acá tienen recording 6.1. Escuchen.
Unit 6, Emotion. Recording 1.
Can I help you? Sorry.
Ahora no me está funcionando, pero tendría que funcionar.
Welcome to Start.
Unit 6,
Tendré que escucharse.
Emotion. Recording 1.
Busy at the
It doesn't want to work. Pero funciona. Yo les voy a mandar el audio. Así que ustedes lo abren y lo escuchan y me ponen true or false acá. Sí, me lo ponen acá. Exercise, for example, 4A, page 69, student's book, 2, TF. No me pongan toda la oración. Ponen TF and that's all, yes? Then we are passing on to real conditionals that we have seen. Real conditionals are 0 and 1. Look at this. You know the real conditionals. Use zero conditional if or when plus the present simple to talk about general or specific things. You decide which of these is the rule, yes? And then use the first conditional if or when plus present simple plus might, will, or could to talk about possible situations in the future. Yes? Then you have the language bank. Language bank is also attached there. There are the explanations here, and these are the exercises. Please do the exercises and send them in the page. Everything has to be in only one Word document, okay? Then you have a listening 6.2. You listen and underline the words you hear. Y me ponen en la hoja acá. Says me ponen get, will tell, will eat. No me ponen toda la oración, okay? Number 7, complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Mark each sentence, 0 or first. Me ponen la oración, it, por ejemplo, me ponen 7A1, ¿sí? 7A 1, and then you write 1A, Gideon 1A. If I go running every day, it'll make me feel good, or it makes me feel good. Si ustedes deciden que es will, ponen it'll make. Or, if you decide that it makes, porque es un it, ojo, y así, I'm feeling down, if I go for a run, I feel better. So, una es 0 y la otra es 1, ¿ok? No hace falta que me pongan 0 o 1, yo lo entiendo, ¿ok? Este B no lo hacen. Después acá hay un speaking y no lo hacemos. Then we have a vocabulary plus, multi-word verbs. Multi-word is a phrasal verbs. Remember that we talked about the phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are verbs that change because they have a particle. Yes, phrasals. Phrasals are verb plus prepositions or adverbial particles. For example, get off. Off would be an adverbial particle here. Es una partícula adverbial. Okay? And the meaning of get changes. Get up. Another adverbial particle. Get on. This is a preposition. You know that get off es salir o bajar. Get up es levantarse. Y get on es llevarse bien con alguien, ¿no es cierto? Entonces podemos decir que el phrasal verb le cambia el significado al verbo original. El verbo original es get, que es obtener. Si yo le pongo off, ya es un phrasal verb. Phrasals, o también se llaman phrasal verbs. ¿Ok? So phrasals or phrasal verbs is the same. And then you have this to work on, and then you can use a dictionary and complete. Yes, and then you write again here on your page the answers. Okay. Then we have this. Look at the dictionary definitions below and answer the questions. Look at these definitions and you answer these questions. Me ponen 10A1, tal verbo no necesita objeto, y así. Okay. So, use the dictionary definitions to help you decide which sentences are possible. Mark the sentences with a tick or cross. I tried the suit on or I tried on the suit. Esto lo tienen que descubrir. Si no lo descubren, yo después se los explico. En general, por ejemplo, yo no digo, por ejemplo, I'll pick the children up. I'll pick the children up by the school. Ven acá la oración que dice I'll pick, y este sería el objeto, the children. ¿Sí? Yo puedo reemplazar, se los voy a explicar ahora. Yo puedo reemplazar y puedo decir voy a poner en minúscula, I'll pick them up by school. Esta está bien. Ahora, yo puedo decir I'll pick up them by school. Puedo decir I'll pick up them. Yo tengo el objeto detrás al final, fíjense, acá. I'll pick up them. Esta oración está mal. This is wrong. Because I cannot use the object them. Si yo uso them, it, us, they, her, ¿sí? Object pronouns cannot be at the end. Object pronouns cannot. But I can say I pick up the children. Yes. Pick up the children. It's okay. Pick the children up is okay. Pick them up is okay. Pick up them is wrong. Okay, can you see this? Okay, study this and then you will realize and you will be able to understand these mechanics. Okay? Then we have the vocabulary bank on page 153. I'm also sending you the vocabulary bank. Yes? No, but, sorry, this is the workbook. The vocabulary bank that I already told you. You work on both exercises. Hay que hacer todo, ing, ed and multi-word verbs. No me vengan con que, ay, yo hice el uno porque me... No, hay que hacer los dos, Okay? Well, so this is so far as regards the grammar, the student's book. Now I will make another video explaining the workbook because YouTube doesn't allow me to upload very long videos. Okay? See you in the second part, boys and girls.